You ready, Harry?
I'm ready, Arvin. What's on deck today?
If you got hemorrhoids, you might want to skip this video.
What is it with you and hemorrhoids?
I critique properties. I tell you guys 3 things I like about it, 3 things I don't like about it in a short 3-minute videos so you can binge watch them after each other. In today's episode, we got 1760 Courtney Avenue. Is that Courtney? Yeah, Courtney Avenue, 7-bedroom, 8-bath. 11,137 square foot, listed for $12,995,000, and it sits on over an acre of lot. Now, before I tell you 3 things I like about this property, the content of this video is purely my personal opinion. It's for educational and entertainment purposes. I don't guarantee the accuracy of information. For that stuff, you gotta hit up the listing agent. Okay, 3 things I love about this property. The 3rd thing I love about this property is the architectural style. It's a 10 out of 10. It's historical restoration at its best, impossible to replicate. This is a piece of art. This is not a house, it's a Picasso. I mean, ladies and gentlemen, bow down, pay your respect. This is old Hollywood at its finest. It doesn't get much better than this. The 2nd thing I love about this freaking property is that it's a compound in Hollywood Hill foothills, and it's an acre of land. You got a massive private driveway, lot utilization off the 𝐂𝐸. You got a little bit of views from the upper floors. It's a 1924, I mean, south facing. Privacy is crazy. Private driveway, mature trees. You got a grotto, you got a koi pond, you got multiple terraces. I mean, it's a freaking oasis. It's centrally located. You know, lower level, you have guest house, you have entertainment, you have barbecue, you have a 2nd kitchen downstairs, you have a game room, you have a freaking old school Hollywood movie theater.
Nice.
Like the old freaking days. An indoor outdoor bar and loggia, sorry. I think it's like one of those arc areas where it's like the top is covered, whatever. And if that wasn't enough, you got a 3-story guest house that is just really ugly and you can renovate. I mean, they've turned it into an office, but it kind of makes sense because they wanted some functionality, I guess, out of it. Now, the number 1 thing I love about this property is momenti. And if you don't know what that means, it's because you don't follow the channel. And no, it's not the movie Memento. That's a totally different thing. It has moments, ladies and gentlemen. There are certain houses that define the experience for you. It's not you telling the house what I want to do. No, the house tells you, no, this is what you got to do at this time of the day. This room is for this reason. That room is for that reason. It takes you and changes your mood, people. This is a house with momenti. Caro fratello, speriamo che 𝐒𝐿𝐲. I'm not going to go there. Okay, 3 things I hate about this property.
Arvin, hang on a second. What does ZipSmart have to say about this property?
According to ZipSmart.ai, median days on the market is at 54. And guess what? That just jumped by 35% from last month. And that's just horrible. These are not good signs. And it might be a time where you can actually get discount for such a beautiful property like this. Okay, 3 things I don't like about this property. 3rd is the layout. Look, this is not gonna be your modern box with 4 bedrooms on the same level, beautiful concept, ease of use. No, as I said earlier, the house is gonna dictate it, like it or not. If you're not in the mood, the house is gonna slap you around the face and say, no, this is what you gotta do, and put up with it or sell me to someone else, okay? So expect that, know what you're getting. The 2nd thing I don't like about this property is kind of a big deal because according to ZipSmart.ai, the crime rate is D. Did you know ZipSmart.ai gives you crime rate? You know, you gotta pay a lot of money for that. ZipSmart gives that to you for free. It's D. You're in Hollywood, son. This is Hollywood. And guess what? Crime is off the hook in Hollywood, and being one of the most expensive properties in that area and not all the way up in the mountain, pretty close to actual Hollywood Boulevard, that is a negative. Now, the number 1 thing I don't like about this property, let's assume it's in the middle of the night and your hemorrhoid is inflamed and you have to go to your car and pick up your hemorrhoid medicine like you always do. And taking the stairs all the way down to the middle level, which is not even the ground level, then get out of the house, take another set of stairs, go to the garage and pick up the medicine because you just can't fall asleep. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is something that you have to live with if you want momenti. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, you will probably like one of these videos, and sign up for ZipSmart.ai. Thanks for supporting the channel. Let me know how much you think this property is going to sell in the comments, and I always read the comments, and I really appreciate everyone who's putting out.